Hi, I am Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you all some of the best screeners that you can use for selecting the stocks for intraday trading. You might be having great strategy, you might have very good experience in intraday trading, but if your stock selection is not right, then the chances of your trade going wrong is more. So it is very important that we select the right stock, right momentum stock and take the trades. So let us check out some interesting, very easy to use platforms from where you can do the stock selection. So the first screener which is very user friendly and which you can check is the intraday screener. Again, the screeners that I am showing now are not promotions. I am just showing you those screeners which I found helpful, which I have used. So this is not a promotional video, this is just for educational purpose. If you just check intradayscreener.com, you will get this website. So you will have to first sign in using your Gmail account or your Zerodha or any other trading platforms. So here you have different options available. If you are someone who is looking for top gainers or top losers, then here you can see top gainers list, top losers list. If you just click on view all, you will get complete details of all the top gainers. Here you can see you also have OI change percentage and also the pivot deviation. I found this information very helpful actually. When you select the stock, you can also select those stocks which are close to the pivot level so that you can make a right decision. For example, here if you see this stock is somewhere closer to R3. It has come from R2 and now it has reached R3. So from here you can look for reversals. Similarly, if you see here this particular stock is at R2 level. So now you can see if the stock takes support and if it moves, then you can expect a movement till the next pivot level. So if you are someone who is trading using pivot, then this is again a very useful information where you can merge the top gainers with the pivot and you can directly take the trade. Instead of you going to the chart and doing the analysis, by the time you do the analysis you might miss the entry. So you can combine this here, you will get a clear picture and directly you can go about and plan your trades. Here you have losers. As I said, if you are taking the trades on the sell side, then you can use this, or morning you can see, you can just check the Nifty and you can see whether it is showing uptrend or downtrend, and if Nifty is up you can go with top gainers, if Nifty is moving down you can go with top losers. Here again, as I said, you can combine the pivot level as well as the percentage change and you can check the entry. Again, don't go with those stocks which has given a very big percentage change because the chances of reversals are more here. So ideally you can go with 1 to 2% change level because there you can get some good trades. Here already the stock has reached a particular level, so the chances of reversals will be more. Again, you have long build up. If you are going with any strategy, if you are using this particular setup for stock selection, definitely you can use this. You have short build up, you have short covering, you have long unwinding. So all of these options are available. Based on which suits you the most, you can select the technique and use this website for stock selection. So ideally speaking, what this does is your selection process becomes much simpler and easier. Then the second one in my list is the Chartink. So in the Chartink, if you just go to screens, you will get lot many screeners here. Whichever suits you, you can just use it. So here, if you are someone who is trading based on candlesticks, then you can use these candlestick pattern scans. Like if you want to check for doji, then if you just select doji daily, you can just see what are the criteria used, that is daily open, daily close, greater than or equal to. They have given all the parameters that is used for this particular screener, and if you find the stock there, you can go about and look for the entry there. Or if you are someone who is taking the trades based on any particular indicator, say any breakout trades, then here you can check the range breakouts, that is 52-week low, 15-minute candle based on Bollinger Band. If you are trading based on any particular indicator, then you can use these as well. You also have bullish scans here, say morning star, it is also a bullish pattern which some of the traders use for taking the trades, so you can use it. You can check different screeners here, and whichever suits you, your trading style, you can use it. You can see here the screener based on bearish stochastic RSI. You can see some of the EMA crossovers here. You can see the monthly RSI scanners. So whichever suits you, you can just select from here. And the next scanner, which is very simple, if you don't want to get into any of this, you can simply go to our normal NSE website, and here if you go to market, you have different data available. You can go by any of this. Simply you can just go to top gainers, top losers and look for the stocks there and take the entries. You can go with 52-week high or low. So here, based on your stock selection process, easily from NSE website itself you can go about and take the stocks or select the stocks. You can select the index here. If you want to select stock from Nifty 50, you can select it, or if you want to select some stocks from all the securities, you can just select all the securities so that everything will be scanned. But ideally you can go with Nifty 50. And you can see here, you can check out gainers as well as losers. In top gainers, you can see here 1.85 eternal, Wipro 1.23% change. So these are some of the stocks which are in Nifty 50, and you can see the percentage change is also very good, 1.85, 1.23. These are the stocks which can give you some good movement that day. Similarly, if you go to losers, here you can see Shriram Finance, you can see 2.27, you can see Indigo, Tata Consume, anything between 1 to 2.5 can give you some good movements, can give you some good entry opportunities. So you can check this NSE website as well. So now comes the bonus tip, that is a fourth method of selecting the stock. Before that, if you have not yet joined my free Telegram channel, that is udupafinance, please check this out. Here you can get many information as to how you can trade. You can also see my trades, that is the trades which I have taken, what is the logic that I have used. This is a complete educational channel. You will get complete details as to how did I analyze, how did I take the trade, what is the result of that trade. Everything will be given here. Complete analysis will be given here. So you can just join this channel for free, that is Udupa Finance Telegram channel, and check this out. But yeah, make sure you join this channel only using the link that is given in the description. There are many fake channels out there. Please do not fall for this fraudsters. I don't ask for money, I don't give any calls. This is purely an educational channel where you get to learn many things which I research, which I learn throughout the day. So yeah, now coming to the pro tip, that is the best way of stock selection. If you don't want to do any of this, then simply pause the video, just note down these stocks. These are the stocks in which usually you get good momentum. So you can just put these stocks in your watch list and look for the entry in this stock using our indicator, that is TradeLevel Pro. So as you can see here, this is a chart. I have loaded our TradeLevel Pro indicator. This is an indicator which can help you in taking the trades in a very simple way. These are the different blocks of the indicator, and these levels or blocks are plotted after considering different parameters. These are not randomly plotted levels. So you can see how well the price respects these levels. These levels will act as a major support and resistance. So you can just check this level and take the trades. So for example, if you check this stock, the stock moved up, and exactly at this level you can see the rejection, that is the level acted as resistance, and from there the stock moved down, and at this level you can see the exact support, and from there you can see the stock moving up. Again, when you see such narrow zones, that means the stock can turn out to be range bound at these zones. So do not take risk at these zones. When the zones are narrow, you can just avoid taking the trades there. So if you just go on observing, you can see how well the price respects these levels. So you can simply take the trades based on these levels. Considering these levels as support and resistance, you can just take the trades. Also, you have different features in this indicator which will help you to frame your own trading system. For example, if you go to settings over here, you have enable colored candles. You can just enable this, and you can see that the color of the candle changes. That is, here you can see the continuous red, yellow and green candles. These green candles will indicate the uptrend, red candles will indicate the downtrend, and the yellow candles indicate the range bound zone. So if you observe here how well the candles, that is a candle color itself is giving you a clear indication that where you have to take the trade and where not to. You can see here how well this is a downtrend, you can easily identify. This is uptrend, that is also easily identified. Here this is a range bound zone, you can see there is no big movement here, so it is better not to take the trade here. So whenever you see the green candles, you can easily look for the entry, and whenever you get the opportunity, this will give you an extra confirmation and extra confidence to take the trades. So you can use this feature as well. Other than this, we also have some other features which will help you in minimizing your analysis time and taking the trades effectively. I'll just show you one by one. Here at the end you have options to add the stocks. Now I had already shown you some stocks which you can add to your watch list and look for the entry. You can just put those stocks here as I have plotted here and say enable intraday screener and say OK. So when you do this, you can see here the screener will appear like this, and here based on this band you will get the indication. That is, whenever the price goes below this band, you will get here the buying opportunities, and whenever the stock is below this band, you will get the selling opportunity. So now it says LNT sell opportunity, which means the price is below this band, so you can look for the entry. So based on this also you can easily go to that particular stock and look for the entry instead of searching each stock individually. So you can use this feature as well in your trading. Again, you can use these zones. If you don't want to use this zone, you can just uncheck this and use only this band along with the screener and take the trades. So when you uncheck the zone, the chart will look something like this. You can combine this zone along with the candle color and the screener and look for the entries. So trading becomes much more easier with this indicator. So if you are interested in this TradeLevel Pro indicator, which most of you are already using and has given a very good feedback for this, so I'm thankful for that. So if someone watching this video is also interested in taking this indicator, then you can just go to the tradepractice.in. I have given the link of this particular website in the description. Just click on the link, and here under videos you can go through the complete tutorial of our both the tools, that is TradeLevel Pro, which I already explained, also our trade practice tool, which is especially for crypto trading, a complete tool which will allow you to take the trades, paper trades, do the practice and then get into the live market. So you can check this as well. After you check this tutorial, if you are interested, you can just go to the subscription over here and you can go for any of the tools which you look for. If you are someone who is interested in combo bundle, then you can use the coupon code 2K to get this combo bundle at a discounted price. So yeah, this is all for today. If you like this video, please give it a like and also share it with someone who is interested in taking the trades. Instead of getting into too many things, learning many things and finally confused as to what to do, it is better to just go with our TradeLevel Pro indicator and smoothly take the trades without any confusions, without any emotional doubts. So yeah, if you are watching this video without subscribing to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.